What is the best note-taking method to remember class info? Imagine sitting in class and feeling confident that you will remember everything important. That feeling comes from using the right note-taking method. The best way to remember class information is one that keeps your notes organized, makes you think actively, and is easy to review. One method that checks all these boxes is called the Cornell method. It splits your note page into 3 parts: a big right section for writing detailed notes during class, a narrow left margin for writing keywords or questions after class, and a small bottom section for a summary. During lessons, you write notes in the main area. After class, you add cues or questions in the margin and write a brief summary at the bottom. This setup helps you organize information clearly and makes reviewing easier. When you cover your notes, the cues or questions on the side act like triggers to help you recall the details. Summarizing at the bottom helps reinforce what you learned. This method is flexible and works well for any subject, whether it's science, history, or math. It encourages you to actively engage with the material, which improves memory. Other effective methods include the outlining method, which organizes notes hierarchically with main ideas, subpoints, and examples. It helps you see how concepts connect and makes complex topics easier to understand. The mapping method, or mind mapping, uses diagrams to connect ideas visually. It's great for brainstorming or understanding relationships between concepts. The flow method involves writing notes as a conversation with the material, including questions and personal thoughts. It keeps you actively involved and makes learning more personal. For 12th graders, handwriting notes is usually better than typing because writing by hand helps your brain process information more deeply. Using abbreviations, symbols, and color coding can speed up your note-taking and make important points stand out. For example, highlighting definitions in yellow or dates in blue can make review sessions faster. Practical tips include focusing on main ideas instead of copying everything, reviewing notes soon after class to reinforce learning, and using cues or keywords to quiz yourself. Keeping notes neat and organized reduces stress when studying for exams. You can also mix methods, like outlining main points and adding a mind map for tricky topics. Overall, the Cornell method is a great starting point because it balances structure with active learning. But remember, trying different techniques and customizing them to fit your style can help you find what works best. The goal is to make your notes a powerful tool for remembering and understanding class info.